Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to make schedule on Microsoft Excel. So here I've already opened my Microsoft Excel, and then what you need to do first is you need to search for templates with schedule keyword. So I'm going to make it easy, and I'm going to use the template from Microsoft Excel. And then here, as you can see, these are the schedule templates provided by the Excel team, and what you need to do is find the schedule that fits you the most. I'm going to probably choose this. No, I'm going to make the weekly schedule, and click on this and then click on create. Okay, wait for the it has been opened, and then what you need to do is just change. You can change it. You can change the assignment, the name of item, or etc., and also the date. So the date has automatically saved as today's date, and I'm going to change probably the assignment. For example, go to the pharmacy, and then assignment B, maybe make a YouTube video and etc. You can change these notes, this template as you like, and then when you're done, just click on save. Okay, click on save, and just like that, your schedule has been created and saved into your computer. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the video, please do click on the thumbs up icon, and don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe our channel. See you on the next tutorial. Bye bye guys.